So today we're gonna be unboxing this wait, what does it say? It is my unicorn soap making lab. So we're gonna unbox this.
And show lang his my unicorn
It's unicorn
soap
and
making lab.
yeah, and there's soap and you can do it. And this for 6 plus, but I still want it anyways.
You are 6+ anyway.
Yeah. And sis, the price? Oh my god. The price is 600. Whoa!
And before you open,
Oh,
you can.
yeah. I should carry it. Yeah, you can carry it. And this says explore my unicorn soap making lab. So we're gonna explore it. Explore the slime. Whoa! Wait. It's a unicorn. Oh my gosh, it's unicorn. Look, gloves. Yeah, gloves. Gloves, so we can protect ourselves. Wait, I can only do it because there's only one. Oh no, sis.
Let's do it slowly. Come on, let's take it out once at a time. All right, one item at a time.
There is gloves that you can do so the
Save your hands.
Yeah,
Unicorn
save your-
mold. This is unicorn mold.
Okay, unicorn mold.
We already have
What
a
is this made
section
of?
of
This is made of this thin plastic. Yeah,
and this is a mug.
a mug with a measuring scales
measuring
out here,
A measuring cup.
So excited.
and two
So-
gloves.
Yeah, 2 gloves so you can put it in. And this is a cup and this is a unicorn thing.
Molds for like
Oh.
the soap.
And there is instructions.
What about this one?
Yeah, it's like glitter thingy, but I don't know because
Okay,
yeah,
you just put it there first.
yeah.
Oh,
this is the thing.
Liberting all the instructions.
Yeah.
this manual.
Yeah.
You can read everything, the instruction and all.
Okay, I watched it on YouTube and I think I can do it. I think.
Unicorn utensils.
I don't know.
What's that? It's a wooden spoon. How much is that? You take it out. Wooden spoon and a sipper, I guess. Three
Yeah, and
sipper.
there's like little thing, explore thing.
All right. Yeah, these are food coloring.
I'm gonna
Coloring, blue and red. And this one is something you need to drop it, like strawberry fragrance. All right, this is strawberry fragrance.
How do you do this?
And a little dropper.
Okay, a dropper. All right, you got 3 dropper here.
Is this the
And
thing where you
3
supposed
wooden
to
spoon.
put like stuff?
That's the soap, I guess. That's the main ingredients for making the soap.
Oh, I know how to do it.
Stickers, I think.
So I watched it on YouTube and
Are they stickers, Mom? What are
yeah, they're
they?
stickers. You're supposed to melt them in oven or something, and you have to like put it in this thing and
This mold,
yeah,
and then wait for some hours, like
put
4
some
to
food
6 hours,
coloring, yeah.
and then it will get set, and then it will be usable. Okay, and here is the stickers. You
This
explain it.
Wait, I'm not supposed to wear this glove yet. This is a sticker, and there's unicorn heart. It says there's magic inside you, and there's stars, which is my name, and this is diamonds and rainbows and unicorn eyes and things. And the
Okay,
horn.
this
Can I see?
after you make the soap, you're gonna pack it in this plastic wrapper, and then you're gonna put this label or something like that.
Okay.
Or you're
That's
gonna
so
put
cool.
directly on the soap, maybe. I'm not sure, but I guess
And
that's
there's
it.
like little thing. Is this sticker too?
Yeah, maybe that's the stickers, I guess. Okay, we have to read the manual first if we to get familiar with that. And
Yeah,
then,
I'm gonna read this.
is there anything left? You forgot. What's this? Okay.
This is the soap.
Okay, this is the soap. Okay, do na kanin unboxing ang timeka sabon siam na. Ani do na ni. Hey. Unicorn. Plastic ang nawamta. Heta hianin na ginadzuan. Hemi sabon di an melt nga. Anti tuya nga chuang tuya nga pulep. Hey, heta hian. Arim tuya na strawberry flavored. Yan ko lang nga. Chuan hey rong. Dule asen na mo. Apola mo. Asen le bol. Chuan purple. Chuan ko nga. Kanan siam thei boka chuan hey spoon hi chona tura sat don wang khan chuan hey dropper hi hey color kha an zuk hi panga an drop
It's not for babies, Mom. Look.
yeah, it's written not for babies. Oh, not for babies.
Not for
Zero to
babies.
treat.
Not for
Tano thei
babies.
law antia 6 plus tan 6 plus thei to hey 6 plus la ni law la thei law hey hi 6 plus ni to kha asa pay ka chuan unattended parents in unattended ang kha athei lawa parents that di lumti rangai don ni mo o spoon kha chon na tu ni don na chuan chuan pasong ka hi
Oh no!
ni mi nya
Babies,
8 6
don't
tan
do
nya
it!
No babies,
hey sa ang
No
kha
babies!
so 600 man na ni chuan hi athun le da thun aka na khai na ati ni o chuan hi stickers there so an
Yeah, stickers.
hey butter paper ang do nya chunga
Also,
hian
you can
siam chuan in
take
thil
like
dang kha abet don lawa chuan hi an ang law na tur an te na tur
Start.
chuan hey glitters kan hong te ila hong lawa chuan gloves pa hi ron chom bok ani ko tabal na
There's glitters.
glitters sa bok tani Chung chu an ta a
Oh, and by the way, I got this
chuan kha zong kha unboxing ania na kina soap making kan tiang le dog le bye bye you la next video soap making kan ti don na mi lo en ti don
In the next video, we're gonna make soap, and yeah, we're gonna make unicorn soap. It's gonna be so fun and so stay tuned.